Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check reviews on Instagram highlights. So if you want to check your reviews or you want to check the numbers of views you've submitted on Instagram, here's how you can get it done. You have to open your Instagram app on your phone. Once you open it, then you tap on the profile icon. From there, then you tap on this 3-line button at the right top corner of the screen. You tap on it, then from there just give it a few seconds to load, then you tap on this option called activities, your activities. Tap on your activities, then from there, then once it opens, then you tap on the last option right here under interaction, which is reviews. Then from here you can see currently I don't have any reviews on this particular account, and whenever you drop any reviews on anything on Instagram, the numbers of the list of your review will appear here, and from here you can monitor or check or review or went back to check the submitted reviews on Instagram. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.